Cheers.
Loki avade.
Why you scared?
Can you keep it for a year?
Okay, you choose this one.
Can you leave with your family? Hello.
I don't feel that.
Can you leave?
Tell them if you're not happy to sell.
Ta-ta. Looking wonderful, dear. It's the final countdown today.
My job is just limited to introducing the couple and both the families onto the stage. And I leave you be, so you'll all get your food and drinks in no time. Peril, Bose and Sangeeta auntie onto the stage. They will next Salil uncle with a son Siddharth Gupta, the youngest sister Shubha and her husband Raju Nair, and their very two handsome little sons. Lastly, I'm going to invite a couple of the extended family onto the stage for their photo sessions, and then I promise I will leave you be.
Are you trying to say hi to people you'll never meet again?
I thought it would be reverse actually.
Really?
Yeah,
He's crying as he's saying this. എനിക്ക് ഇവിടുത്തെ കുറേ
മാലയും കമ്മലും ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്.
ഒരു 2 മാലയിടും ഒരു 4 കമ്മലും.
बोले तो गायू आंटी शाहरुख अंकल
शाहरुख दादा
अंकल
Uncle.
शाहरुख
दादा
आर्यन अंकल अंकल
रावण किसी
Oh,
You need to lock up your husband.
15 seconds.
I didn't see anything.
അതൊക്കെ
ആ റൂമിൽ കിടന്നിട്ട് കുറച്ചു നേരം കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഈ റൂമിൽ കിടന്നു. ഇത് കൊടുക്കണോ? അല്ലേ?